Hi, today we're showing this product we supplied, MM03 Mini. The MM03 Mini allows you to excite pulse common rail injectors, both coil and piezo types, and in conjunction with a hand pump and an aspirator it will allow us to perform some basic tests on common rail injectors. It comes with the instruction user manual, carry storage pouch, two different cables. With this one for Bosch Piezo injectors, and we have the other one already connected up here that's for Bosch coil type injectors. So it's just powered off 12 volt supply, 12 volt battery. Has a built-in fuse on the line, so it's just connected onto the battery here with two crocodile clips. So like I said, you can test coil and piezo. So we're just connected up to a Bosch coil type injector. So we'll connect it up here and do some tests. There's two different modes you can run it in. You have kind of a manual activation. You can hear the injector ticking there, so it's only pulsing when we press and hold the button. Or there's another mode then where to get into the cycle function or cycle mode, we have to disconnect it, power it off, press and hold this. It comes on then, just let it go, select the voltage, and when we're in this mode it keeps continuously pulsing the injector until we switch it off, stop it here again. So yeah, first here we'll just do it in the manual mode. And also forgot to mention there's 3 different voltage levels you can set it to. So to set up the voltage, turn it off, press and hold both buttons, switch it on, release the buttons, wait till lights comes on green, solid, press the coil button then to get it to whichever voltage you want it to be at. So we'll go back to 120 and you confirm then with the piezo button. So now it's confirmed at 120 volts, still not activating until we press and hold this. And in this manual mode it will only activate it while we're pressing and holding the button. There's also another mode then that we can go into, this the cycle mode. So to go into the cycle mode, disconnect it, press and hold the coil button, power it on, release the button, set the voltage you want. Again we'll put it to 120, confirm it with this piezo button, and now when we press it, it's continuously activating it until we press the button to stop it again. So yeah, once you have everything set up, then like you press for a coil injector, you press this button to activate it. The piezo injector, you press this for it to start activating it. So yeah, with this setup combined with then with an aspirator and a hand pump, we can do various tests on the injector. One check we can do is, even without activating the MM03 Mini, is pump up your hand pump. This hand pump's capable of going up to 600 bar. So pump it up and look to see if we have any leakage or dribbles from the nozzle, needle and nozzle. So that's one test. Another test we can do with this is we can do a kind of a leak back test on the injectors. So there is some specifications for injectors to tell us the time it should take to drop from 500 bar to 200 bar. So for example, if we pump it up to 500 bar, and if we had a stopwatch here, we can time how long it takes to go from 500 down to 200. And then when we look up the specification sheet, it will tell us, for example, I think this Bosch injector is 10 seconds, so it shouldn't drop from 500 to 200 any quicker than 10 seconds. And if it's leaking down, say for example in 5 seconds, then we have too much leak back. So this way we can do kind of a simulated leak back test on this setup. The other thing then we can do is just turn on the aspirator here. It's going to make this air connected, air line connected to the aspirator. You can check the spray pattern. Just turn off that to keep the noise down. And then another test we can do, so we have it continuously activated here. You can check the brake and pressure. So yeah, that's about it on the tests. Like I said, it's not compared to what can be done on some of the official tests, the bigger test benches where they can check volume and leak back volume and delivery volume. This is just a quick test to know if you have a major problem or not. So I've said it comes with the 2 standard cables. There's other optional cables available. So these are the two cables it comes with. There's cables available, then there's another universal cable available. Cables available for Delphi injectors. Different cables available for Denso. Another cable for Delphi Piezo injectors. Another Bosch Piezo cable. Siemens cable. And then there's another kind of a universal connection cable used for truck or tractor injectors. So all these different cables are available. So for more information on this product, if you look in the description underneath the video, there's a link to this product on our website. That's about it. Thanks for watching.